everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to express the following fraction as percentage. Well, this basically means that I would simply need to multiply all by 100%. Okay, so in this case, this will be equals to 12%. Do take note that I just need to key into the calculator. The percentage sign or symbol will follow. So let me repeat this with 3 other fractions here. So all I have to do is to simply multiply them by 100. Yes. Percent. So in this case, 52%. Okay, again, you would see that you just need to key into the calculator or do the calculation for this part, the blue color part that I've highlighted. Next, so in this case, this will be equal to 21.62 to, this is to 5 significant figure, and finally 21.62%. Okay, so in this case here, you can see that I just need to do my calculation here. That will give me this part, and this part here is to 2 decimal places as required by this particular question. Last but not least, the last fraction, 2/7 multiplied by 100%. This will give me a value of 228.57 when I do it. Round off to about 6 significant figures. Final answer to 2 decimal place, 228.57%. This is to 2 decimal place. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.